is the early mining price for me, and it's 2 Beyblades. Open this box up, it's easy. So my voice is not really getting captured in the phone, so let's just open this. And this is also me, Ritheesh. So let's start cutting this. This is a wireless microphone and auto pairing and noise cancellation. So now we're going to open this, and there's a pouch to put the microphone on, and let's take it. The receiver, and these are 2 microphones, so it looks cool. It looks amazing. Yeah. Putting you away. Now let's put this here. So now we're going to take you out. Whoa. It feels weird when you touch it. So that's what we're going to do the other microphone. Pick it up. So these are the 2 microphones and 1 phone connector. So I just saw headphones and chargers that I don't know about. So let's pick them out. So now we got this out. It's a headphone. We're just going to put this here. Now we're going to open the other charger thing. And we're going to the second thing. What's in there? Wow. We're going to put all of the stuff in there. So let's take the user manual up. This is a user manual and it's a wireless microphone. And it has instructions. Nice. We're going to keep all down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there go all the electric stuff and the instructions. So now we're going to pair in the phone and we're going to check the audio. So first we need the receiver to get connected. Dad, can you connect the receiver in your phone? And second we need to on the microphone. Is it working? Dad, it's not working. So it's on green now. So here you go, take a look. We on it and we're going to connect it. So we're going to test this and I hope it will work good. Like and subscribe.